Starting in our ProCloud 535 release, reprinting invoices is done a bit differently. Let's take a look at our existing invoices by heading to the Accounting tab and selecting Client Invoices. We'll then choose the existing window, and here we'll see a list of all our posted documents. To view and reprint an invoice, we simply select the invoice number from the invoice number column. The invoice will then open as a tab in your default web browser as a PDF file type. In this case, we're looking at Chrome, so keep in mind things may look a bit different for you if you're using another browser. From here, you can view and print the document. Select Print from your browser, which now controls these functions, to select any printing preferences. If we want to change the invoice style to reprint, we'll head back into Design Manager, select the invoice in question, and click the Update button on the bottom of this window. Check the Update Style box, and use the drop-down to select the new format. We'll choose Residential Group Price. OK, yes. And now when we choose the invoice number, the document will open in the updated format. And again, we can select our preferences from here and print.